Okay. Hey, welcome. This is the weekend away. This is all the leaders leading for next year for students. And yeah, so we're just at Molshange in the beautiful fields, as you can see, and it's just looking really good. Yeah, most of us have arrived, but there are a few more, but it's looking good. Ren, what do you think?
Yeah, looking forward to a really good weekend. Tonight we're going to be playing in the field, I think, wasn't it? Wide games?
Wide games.
Pretty much, don't know these things. I was brought up in London. So yeah, we're looking forward to having a really good time, hopefully meeting the God team.
Yeah.
It's so
it's such a good film. No, it's not.
I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. Got my mind set on you.
Okay, look, come and look at how much I've butchered this chicken. Basically, I've got all the bones out. Have a good look at that. That used to be in the chicken. It's called butterfly in the chicken, but I think that's just make it sound a little less brutal than it actually is.
I think you're mullering it.
I'm destroying it. It's a man's job. Step away.
So are you looking forward to the weekend then, Mike?
No.
Oh, I don't eat
actors. And also the vegetarian option.
I don't eat red meat. I don't eat red meat.
Do you not?
No, should I have said something?
I'm sure.
Really? What do you reckon there?
2 weeks now. So do I.
So what are you looking So what are you looking forward to most this weekend?
I don't know. I think some quiet time with God.
What am I looking forward to? Probably sleeping with Bish in the same room together.
Wow.
Not good.
So, something about Jesus. Okay.
Jesus!
Jesus.
I'm really kind of excited about new people. Yeah, new people and growing and some new ministries and kind of just like more of presence of that. Yeah, that's what I'm really excited about. I think there's loads of people who have really amazing spiritual gifts, but who haven't found out quite how amazing they are yet and haven't started using them. That's what I'm really excited about.
Very excited about the Sunday pastorate because I just think that we're really going to start something on the inside in church, but then bring it outside. We want to do bees and projects, we want to do more stuff on the streets, and that's what I'm really excited about. And we were talking about today about giving, rather like receiving, yes, but giving, more giving.
I'm really excited about going deep with God and just to really make everyone feel like they really belong in the community and to not focus on ourselves so much and to really involve absolutely everyone. And yeah, I really feel like God's put on my heart like the lonely, and I really want everyone to feel included. And I think by going out and serving as groups or whatever, doing projects, museum projects, grandmas, like going out together, it would just be wonderful because like when you feel like you know where you belong in a community, that's when you can really go deep. Yeah.
I'm most excited about the prep sandwiches, but I'm even more excited about getting to know everybody much more. With your best face and seeing how everyone comes together.
I'm most excited about the student life in the stream live on the web.